drainage systems in our cities. So this convention is being held at the right time. That planning is key. I have discussed with your chairman and the officials before we came here, and we have agreed that I'm going to have a meeting with your officials to come and take me through institutions of government where you think that at the board of directors, we need a planner to sit in that board. And once they have persuaded me, and I'm a very simple person to persuade. Mbona msikuja na kizungu mingi kwangu? Just be simple so that I understand quickly. We'll make sure that planners sit in boards of organizations where planning is key. That we shall do. Again, we have agreed that the counties are in charge of urban centers and towns and municipalities and cities. We have agreed that during the next meeting of IBEC, which I chair with the county governors, we'll invite the institute to come and make a 30-minute presentation before governors, so that you persuade them and convince them, first and foremost, the importance of planning, and secondly, and most significantly, to have professional planners working for them. And I think our governors are level-headed. I think they'll see reason. And at least the governor of Kwale here has said they don't have a choice. So I'm sure before you leave here, she'll tell you the slots you need for planners in this county, so that you come and help her to govern. You know, ourselves, we are not professionals in the line of planning. We are managers, but we need professional help to plan. So the importance of your institute in this country cannot be overemphasized. So we have agreed and we are persuaded, and we don't need any further convincing that we need to embrace you to be our partners in national development. We want all cities, all urban centers to be properly planned. Let us not have haphazard developments that have no supporting infrastructure. It is you people to help us to do away with the traffic jam. It is you people to make sure that there are social amenities. Buildings don't just come up and there are no playing grounds for our children. There is no supportive sanitary and sewage system. So I want to say that this convention is very appropriate, and we are happy to be here, and we seek your partnership in that area. As part of our strategy to plan and to make planning our strategy for national development, yesterday the president chaired the cabinet to plan for El Nino, and we came up with a strategic plan on how to deal with this emergency. First and foremost, we want to appeal to the people of Kenya to be also responsible. Out of the 87 deaths that have occurred due to El Nino, 37 of them is by drowning, not floods getting you to your house, by you going to where the floods are and daring nature. Kenyans are crossing rivers when they can see the waters are menacing and they are rough, and they still insist that they are in a hurry to go somewhere, and they never reach there. I want to appeal to the people of Kenya, wherever they are, also to be responsible. As much as they're asking the government to intervene, how do we intervene when you get into a river and you can see the way it is flowing? We want to appeal to the people of Kenya to take care of their lives.